There are two ways to return an item. If you have the invoice number from the original transaction, you will need to open the Miscellaneous tab on the right of the POS screen. Then click the Sales Return button. Search for the original invoice using the invoice number on the customer's receipt. Then press Load Invoice to recall the original order. You can either enter the number of items being returned in the Quantity to Return field next to the appropriate items on the invoice, or you can type in an item number at the top of the screen and press Add Item. Once you have entered all the items to be returned, click Finish Go Back to Sale on the right of the screen. If it is an exchange, you can enter the new item at this time. Click the Payment button in the lower right of the screen. If a refund amount is due, enter it next to the payment type to which you would like to apply the return. Enter the amount as a negative number. After you enter the negative number and press Enter, select the Complete Transaction button just like a normal sale. Another option is to use the Recall Transaction button at the bottom of the order screen. This allows you to search for the transaction by the customer, date of purchase, or transaction number. Select the appropriate transaction and press Return Items. This will bring you to the Sales Return screen. You can complete the transaction as previously demonstrated. If you need to return an item but cannot locate the original transaction, you will need to ring up the item the customer wants to return by either scanning the barcode, searching for the SKU, or manually entering the item number. Press Enter. Select the item on the open invoice so that it is highlighted. Select the Change Quantity button and change the quantity to a negative number. This will be however many of that particular item that the customer is returning. Next, click the Payment button in the lower right of the screen. Enter the refund amount next to the payment type to which you would like to apply the return. Enter the amount as a negative number. After you enter the negative number and press Enter, select the Complete Transaction button just like a normal sale.